there in YouTube land? You are here with Flippin' Mike, and today on the Flippin' Mike Show, we're gonna be having a little bit of fun. We're gonna be trying to get, this one already got started. This is a 99 670 HO. It's a pretty badass sled. It's actually one of my favorite sleds I've had, and I've had a number of sleds. This one does have a high idle issue. I know before I got a hold of it, some people were trying to set it up for drags. So I got a hold of this thing last year after I sold all my other snowmobiles off. So hoping to start it up, fiddle around with it a little bit, take it on a test drive, and see what we can do. We're gonna post this up for sale later tonight. So the price is gonna go up the more I work on it, but as is right now, I'm trying to get close to a couple grand for it. So I mean, I'd take $1,500, and that's not bad. I didn't really pay that when I got it, but when I got it, it was not running at all. If you go back and check out some of my older videos, you'll see the SKI DOO project and how it's came along. So we're gonna start her up and see if she'll go for us. Now I'm wondering if there's a leak in my primer cable. She seems to idle pretty high. I don't know if it's a carb adjustment just yet, or what we have to do to her. But this is what we're going to be digging into here today. I'll give it a minute to cool down. All right, now we are going to check down here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to check to see if the throttle's just tightened up off of this linkage right here. See if I can zoom in on it. This is the throttle linkage. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Okay, this throttle linkage right here. I'm gonna loosen that up and see if this is just held tight to go. See if it's not being let all the way down for the idle. I highly doubt it, but we're gonna check it. And then the next thing we're gonna check, we have to remove this air box right here, and then we're going to check the air setting, the air and gas settings on the carburetor. And those are, I don't even know if we'll be able to see them from here. We should be able to barely just, no, they're right down in there. It's that little screw. Straight down. You just barely see the head of it. Right there. You'll be able to see more when I remove this air box and all them other goodies. So let's get that done. Alright, so the air box itself is pretty simple to remove. So the air gas flow adjustment are these screws down here. Now they're looking to be a little bit far out. So I don't know, we're gonna try to get the idle to go down. If we can get the idle to go down this bad boy, I'm gonna ask my full $2,000 for it. So actually, I should do a compression test as well, just for I know. When you're trying to sell something, you want to be as knowledge on it as possible. But there's the other screw right there, and then the throttle screw or the idle screws just a little bit, drop the idle down. So now she's more friendly for trail riding. Woohoo! Now it's set up more friendly for long distance trail rides. So I'm pretty happy with this machine. I'm gonna go ahead and put the airbox back together, give it another test run, and see what we got. If I'm happy with it then, she's ready for sale and she'll be out the door. The old girl ran great except for the recoil finally broke. Woo! So we have no recoil grabbing left at all. Have to take that apart, get that situated. That's for next video, or if someone buys it the way it is, I might give them a couple $100 off. So this will be getting posted up later tonight. So if you're interested in buying a snowmobile, look on Facebook Marketplace, look up Flippin' Mike, or just look at their snowmobiles. You'll see this beautiful little girl here for sale. Subscribe button, say something down below. I don't know if you think I'm a jackass. Call me a jackass. Until the next video, stay country. I'm Flippin' Mike. Yee yee!